Hey guys, today we will be playing Build a Boat for Treasure. And we're going to go to the end once using one of my builds, and I'll be showing you the two others. So yeah, let's do. Okay. Oh yeah, because I was doing a challenge, that's why I died so early on. Alright, so the first one I want to show y'all. Oh, I messed up the name. It's a naval. It's a battleship. It's kind of a stubby battleship, but it's still powerful. It has a lot of cannons on it. And right here, I kind of want to do this quickly because of the 15 minutes thing, but here's like a hangout area, there's the brig, the weapon area, and the cargo area. And here's just the top deck. And if you're wondering what these are torpedoes. You click this block right here, and then click this, and if you have PvP on and or just hit a rock or something with these, this will explode, causing the entire thing to explode. Alright, so there's the first one. The next one is, as it says, it's a World War I plane. Or just a classic plane, like a kind of classic jet. And the last one is a Japanese kamikaze plane from World War II. This one's my favorite one. I added a little detail by myself because I just added a huge torpedo here, but it's just a bomb. It's not really a torpedo. And there's no actual entrance. You have to glitch your way in by putting this here and then glitching in like that. And then you delete that. And now we're going to do our run. I really need to replace the other plane's engines with these ones, because I just got these ones. Oh, that guy went flying. Wow. So basically, this is basically how the other torpedo works, except there's a thruster on it. You just click this, and then it drops. Yep, and it exploded. So yeah, we're just gonna go. This plane does have some weaknesses, like mostly the levels where it just throws stuff at you. But other than that, not really any. Uh-oh. Train man. This is supposed to turn, but I do not know how it works. This one is my battleship's weakness because it just bounces up the entire thing. And yeah, it's just painful. This one can just throw bowling balls at me like that. Uh-oh. I'm just gonna get a strike. Boom. This is the new one, I think. I have that. Not a singular one, but just the pistol. Oh, the B. Oh, guess they updated it to be more accurate now. Oh, not really. It's just the thing on the back. Then there's this one. This is the second to last one. Kind of like at the end when you deactivate it, when you go, because it makes you go really fast, and you just go straight towards it. It looks really cool, like near landing. And here we go. Oh, I lost my hat. Wow, I lost my hat. We can do one run on the battleship, I think. No, I don't think we have enough time for that, but we can We can try the classic plane. I'm probably gonna fix this one later. But with these jet turbines, you need to activate 2 in order to make it to the end through the full thing. But the other one... Oh, I forgot I added a small little stubby torpedo on it. Alright, here we go. Drop the bomb. Drop the bomb. I'm gonna actually try and do it so where y'all can see the explosion this time. Come on. Drop. Go bang. Go boom. Go boom. Yay, the boom boom. It went bang. Whew. It should be the same. Yeah, it is the same. I think this one might not have... Was it? No. Actually? Yeah, it was. It's like, what's the cherry one? Because I think it used to be just a lollipop. So, yeah. I want to get in the projector. I want to get plane movie. Plane movie. I'm gonna stay up here because then they can't get me. Oh, never mind. It just chucks them at you. Okay. Oh. Turn around. Oh no. Activate. See, like that. Yeah, you need to activate too, because that one just ran out of fuel. So yeah, Big Epic. Big Epic E. Wow. Nero. Oh no. I knew it. As long as I keep going like this, I should be good, actually. I forgot they do this once you... Oh no. Can you not? It's going down. It's going down. It's going down. It was going down. Oh no. Oh no, there's a big cluster of rooks. Big rocks. 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 Oh wait, all the seeds got destroyed, meaning the waterfall is gonna probably kill me. The entire bottom came out. Go the other way. No, go the other way. No, 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 don't, 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 no. My arm. Oh no. Come here. Come here. No. 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 We almost made it. It was right there. No. Alright, that's it for this video. Goodbye.